guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Yes, I am here at my another destination. This is simply heaven. Yes, I'm here at this beautiful paradise, and this place is so stunning and super gorgeous. So we all set. Yes, our flight is very early, guys. It's around 6 a.m. Right now it's 3 o'clock. I wanted to leave early for the airport because it's street 3. I know I look like a joker. I'm pretty packed right now, but it is winters. It's going to be very cold out there. So we reached on time. Sometimes at T3 you do get traffic. You do get loads of crowd. So yes, but everything is just going fine. I'm just gonna quickly finish my security check, and yes, gonna go inside because I have to buy a couple of stuff from the airport, and I just can't wait to see beautiful Kashmir. I've never been. ये मेरा पहली time है कि मैं कश्मीर visit कर रही हूँ, and I'm very excited. I've never seen snow as well, so this trip is going to be really crazy one. So yes, boarding has started. We are going towards our flight, and you guys keep connected because there's loads coming on my channel, guys, so don't miss out on any of my vlogs. So yes, I'm all set, and let this crazy trip begins.
Thank you.
This view is always my favorite. Wait, guys, I have to show you something. Woohoo! Wow, simply gorgeous. Hey guys, welcome back. Yes, I am here at my another beautiful destination, and this is actually going to be a super adventurous trip because we have planned loads of things. So we've just landed and we are at Srinagar airport right now. We're just waiting for our taxi, and we are heading towards Gulmarg. So you guys stay tuned, and I will show you around the beautiful beauty of Gulmarg. So guys, before heading out of the airport, you need this kind of stamp. This stamp says that you are fully vaccinated. And now we all set to explore this beauty. हमारे ड्राइवर ने सजेस्ट किया कि गुलमर्ग जाने के रास्ते पे टनमर्ग आता है, और टनमर्ग में एक जगह है कॉल्ड ड्रैंग वाटरफॉल विच इज़ वेरी फेमस in winters. अब तो इतना स्नो नहीं है वहाँ, but this place is actually beautiful and a must visit, where if you come here in winter, especially during December, January and February time, this place looks super gorgeous. So yes, we are here. So yes, we are here at a very famous frozen waterfall, and it's a Drang waterfall, and it's beautiful. Right now it's not that frozen, but it is pretty nice. Let me show you guys. So behind me, this is all, that's Drang waterfall. सो गाइज़, ये विंटर्स में बहुत ही सुंदर लगता है. ये पूरा जो आप देख रहे हैं, ये सब कुछ वाइट दिखता है, फुल ऑफ स्नो, एंड यहाँ पे बहुत अमेजिंग पिक्चर्स आती है. दिस इज़ एक्चुअली वेरी फोटो फ्रेंडली प्लेस, एंड यस, इट इज़ अ वेरी मस्ट विजिट प्लेस इफ़ यू हियर ड्यूरिंग द विंटर्स, दिसंबर, जनवरी, फरवरी. So yes, actually guys, I don't know, अभी हमने बस लैंड ही किया है, और I feel Kashmir has some different vibe altogether. It's so calm, it's so relaxing. I'm just already in love with Kashmir. So now we're just gonna hit and and see the beautiful, super gorgeous Gulmarg. I just can't wait to touch the Gulmarg and feel this white powder snow. So, yes, keep connected, guys, and come with me and let's explore this beautiful and super gorgeous Kashmir. I'm just loving every single bit of it. So here we are at the most gorgeous place on earth, Gulmarg. I can't get my eyes off, guys. It's so gorgeous. In real, it's super stunning. If you haven't been to Gulmarg, guys, then you are missing on something. So finally, we here at our hotel. We are staying at the Heevan Retreat. It's a beautiful and stunning property. I will take you around and show you how stunning this place is. And yes, right now we're just gonna freshen up quickly, and I'm just gonna see my room first. That how my room is, because I told them I want the room with the best view. So I just can't wait to see my room. And oh my God, look at this! It looks so gorgeous. So beautiful. So yes, stay tuned, guys, just keep connected. I will take you around and show you this entire beauty. Our hotel is very central, it's not very far. The main gondola ride is just like half a kilometer from our hotel. It's on walking distance. So yes, finally I'm in my room and you should see the view from my room. So gorgeous, oh my God. Unbelievable. Stunning. Hi guys. Yes, I am here at this beautiful and stunning place. I am in Gulmarg, Kashmir, and it is simply paradise. And right now where we are at the property where we're staying, I'll take you around. I'll show you how stunning this place is. It is full of snow and there are lots of people, lots of tourists, and no wonder why they say that, you know, this place is actually heaven. We have a paradise in India. This is India. Yes, I still can't believe that it's such a beautiful place. We have such a stunning place in India. And yes, so you guys stay tuned because there's going to be loads coming on my channel. I will take you around. I will show you how stunning and beautiful Gulmarg is. And we'll be in this trip, we'll be covering Gulmarg, Pahalgam, Srinagar, Sonmarg, a lot of places. So you guys stay tuned and keep connected. So today is our first day. We've just checked in right now. And the property where we're staying is the Heevan Retreat, and it is very beautiful. I will take you around. I'll show you how beautiful this place is. Look at this cutie pie. Hi cutie. So let me take you around. It is full of snow. So guys, behind me, that's where we're staying. That's Heevan Retreat. It's super gorgeous. So So this is the entry of the Heevan retreat. Hello. It's so gorgeous. Wow. It's so stunning. Look at these alpine trees. It's super gorgeous, guys. So if you're planning your trip to Gulmarg, then you don't need to worry about places here. The property where we're staying is Heevan, as I told you. We wanted to stay at KASHMIR also, but we didn't get any rooms there. So we were just confused where to stay, where not to stay. I googled, I searched quite a lot. So this property was showing pretty nice. And it is beautiful, guys. I will take you around and show you how stunning this place is. And I'll take you inside what all is there at this beautiful hotel. So come on, come with me and let me show you around. This is a beautiful hotel. Look at the stunning view, man. So this side is just the lounge area where you can just chill, and that side is the billiard room. That side is the reception. It's all made of wood. That's the reception. Now they have this shop over here where you can get all the souvenirs and nice shawls and good stuff. This is the coffee shop. Here they serve breakfast, dinner, with of course the gorgeous view. It's so beautiful, guys. So they all are preparing for dinner. Now there are rooms all over. This side also there are rooms. I'll take you to our room. Even there are rooms here as well, then this side as well, that side also. So there are rooms all over. I'll take you to my room. Come. The rooms here as well, then here. This hotel has a very cozy vibe, guys. Because of the wood all around, you won't feel any cold, and this hotel is fully centrally heated. This is the gorgeous lounge area where you can just relax. So gorgeous. People are actually playing cards and chilling. Now I'll take you to my room, which is here.